Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer domain on IONOS to GoDaddy. Now the first thing I want you to do, make sure you're logged in to IONOS. Come to the top, click on menu, and from here I want you to go ahead and click on domains and SSL. Now before we actually, are able to initiate a domain transfer, we need to make sure that it is unlocked for transfer. So this is how you do this, okay? You come here, you'll see your domain, and then under actions, you'll see these three dots. I want you to click on it, and then click here on renewal and transfer. Now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and make sure that this button right here, this one is not toggled on. This is the domain transfer lock. And if this one is toggled on, you cannot transfer your domain to third parties. Okay, now just toggle this one off, and then you can start your domain transfer, right? You can just come here, click on start domain transfer. And make sure, guys, if you cannot see this, toggle switch, that means that if you come here to privacy and contract details, right? You'll see private registration. If this one is toggled on, that means that you will not be able to get this toggle to go ahead and toggle off domain transfer lock. So as you can see, mine right here is already public. So this one is ready for transfer. Then all you need to do is get your transfer authorization code. Okay, so the way you get this code, you just come here under renewal and transfer. You go over here where it says change provider. You click on show authorization code. Make sure you copy this code. We'll use this later on. And then all you need to do is you need to go over here to GoDaddy. Make sure you're logged in because they'll actually prompt you to log in later anyways. Then you click here on domains, okay? And then click on transfer domain names. Now, what you need to do is just copy your domain and then come here to GoDaddy, paste this in, click on transfer your domain, and then it will do a search and actually check if it is unlocked for transfer. Now, all you need to do after that, you'll see the price right here. They'll try to get you to, subscribe to their add-ons. You can go ahead and say no thanks if you want, or add these protections. We'll just do no thanks, and they'll try to upsell you again right here by asking you to protect your brand with all of these other ones as well. You can just continue without the bundle if you want, and you'll be redirected to this page right here where this is the cart. You go ahead and fill in your billing information. Okay, you add your payment method and you proceed to enter your authorization code, and you can confirm that. Really that easy, and that is how to transfer domain on IONOS to GoDaddy.